Yes. Good morning, student. So today we are going to see how to convert the non-standard form to standard form of Boolean expression. So what is the question? Convert the following Boolean function into the standard form, and it is also called as a canonical form. Okay. So what is the first equation? Y is equals to a plus b. Okay. So first of all, you need to find out whatever the equation is given. This equation which is in terms of what, matlab this equation, it is in terms of sum of product form or product of sum form. So whatever the equation is given over here, it is in terms of the sum of product form, right? So after finding this one, you need to find out how many input variables are there. How many inputs variables are there? Two inputs variables are there, right? So A and B. So we will solve the problem is how to convert this is a non-standard form into the standard form. Now this equation you need to write as it is, y is equals to a into 1 plus b into 1. So what is a into 1 and b into 1? मतलब मैंने यहाँ पे into 1 और into 1 add किया. Now what you need to do, what is the missing term in the first thing, first term पे कौन सा variable missing है? यहाँ पे कौन सा variable missing है? That is b variable is missing. So what I did, a मैंने as it is लिखा है. So you need to write b plus b bar, because Boolean law क्या बोलता है? b plus b bar which is equals to 1. So whatever the variable is missing in the first term, that variable you need to write in terms of b plus b bar. Plus is as it is, b is as it is. Now which variable is missing over here? Which variable is missing in the second term? That is a, that is b into a plus a bar, right? Now what you need to do? You need to do the simple multiplication, that is a into b plus a into b bar, right? Then b into a. So I have written here a into b plus a bar into b. Okay. So after writing this one, what you need to do? After writing this one, what you need to do? You need to find out whether there are the duplicate terms are there. So which terms are duplicate? This one, that is AB and AB terms are duplicate, right? So again, you know one law of this Boolean law, that is AB plus AB अगर होता है तो we can write here AB, or you can say that another language a plus a. हमने क्या लिखा था? What is the answer we have written in the Boolean law? A plus a is equals to a. यहाँ पे ab plus ab का क्या लिखेंगे हम? एक बार ही लिखेंगे. Okay, and this a into b bar is as it is plus a bar into b is as it is. Now after writing this one, you need to write in the form of a numerical statistical form of this equation. This is a standard form. You can say this is what you are the standard form of equation. This one, right? Now why I have written a 1 2 and 3 over here? Now how many variables are there? A and b. So you know that in the sum of product form, if the variables are in the non-complement form, so you need to write here what? You need to write here AB को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? AB को, that is 1 1. Yes, yes. So 1 1 is what? 3. Yes. AB bar, right? So how we are writing AB bar? AB bar, that is यहाँ पे 1 होगा और यहाँ पे क्या होगा? यहाँ पे 1 होगा और यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 0 होगा. P bar मतलब 0. So 1 0 क्या होता है? 2 होता है. And what is A bar B? A bar B मतलब यहाँ पे 0 होता है और यहाँ पे क्या होता है? 1 होता है, right? यहाँ पे 0 होता है 1 और 0 1 क्या होता है? 1. So I have written in the ascending form, that is 1 2 3. So that this is the way we are converting the standard form sum of form equation into the non-standard SOP equation into the standard form, and it is also called as a canonical form, right? So we will see another example. Now tell me, student, here what is the equation is given? What is equation is given here? That is y is equals to AC plus AB plus AC. Now what I have told you, this is the sum of product form का equation. This is a sum of product form का equation. So in the sum of product form का equation, second step, we need to find out what variable is missing in the first term, what variable is missing in the second, what variable is missing in the third. So in the first case, that is AC, which variable is missing? That is b. So what I have written here, b plus b bar, right? Yes. So in this particular equation, which term is missing in the first, or which variable is missing in the first term? Which variable is missing in the first term? That is b variable is missing. So what I have written, ac is as it is, and b plus b bar plus ab. Now in the second case, which variable is missing? That is c. So what I written here, c plus c bar plus ac. Which variable is missing over here? That is b. So that I have written here b plus b bar. Why I can write c plus c bar, b plus b bar over here? Because with the help of, as I have told you, with the help of Boolean law, x plus x bar or a plus a bar, which is equals to 1. Now what is the next step? You need to do only the simple multiplication, that is ACB. So instead of writing ACB, what I have written here, ABC, one and the same thing. So AB bar C, that is ABC plus ABC bar plus ABC plus AB bar C. Matlab you need to do only the multiplication, that is ABC plus AB bar C. Now after this one, you need to find out which terms are repeating. Which terms are repeating over here, student? Which terms are repeating? That is, see here, this ABC, ABC and ABC. And with the help of this Boolean law, with the help of the Boolean law, that is A plus A plus A. What is the value of this? That is A. So if there are 3 terms are repeating or the 2 terms are repeating, you need to write only the single term. So what I did, what I have written here, ABC, ABC, ABC के जगह पे मैंने क्या लिखा है? ABC लिखा है. Now again, see here. Again, you can see over here, that is A, B bar C, A, B bar C are repeating. That is A plus A also, which is equals to A. So that I have written only the single term, that is A, B bar C. And this A, B, C bar is as it is because it appears in the single term, this one, right? So after this one, this is a standard form of equation. We have converted this non-standard form of equation into the standard form, and standard form it is also called as a canonical form, right? Now how to write this 5, 6, 7? So what is the first term? Tell me. What is the first term? That is ABC. So what I have told you, अगर complement नहीं तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 1, 1, 1. So what is the value of triple 1? What is the value of triple 1? That is 7, right? Now what is this A, B bar C? It indicates A, B bar C मतलब क्या होता है? 1, 0, 1. So what is the value of 1, 0, 1, student? What is the value of 1, 0, 1? That is 5. So that I have written 7, here 5. And what is this? A, B, C bar. So what is A, B, C bar? What is A, B, C bar? Tell me. 1, 1 and 0. Perfect. Sorry, 1, 1 and 0. So what is 1, 1, 0? It is equivalent, binary equivalent is 6, right? So instead of writing 7, 5, 6, what is the answer you can write? That is 5, 6, 7. It is a statistical form of this equation. This is standard form of equation. We have converted from the non-standard form. Got it? So this is the way you can solve the problem with the for conversion of non-standard to the standard for the sum of product form equation. Now, if the equations are given in terms of product of sum form, then how to solve the problem? That I am going to tell you in the next video.